Here you've got KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we would open IMEI number through the secret code. To do it, just open the phone dialer and now enter a code which is *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got all IMEI numbers assigned to your device, actually 2 of them. Then tap on OK to go back. And if you would like to check the serial number as well, you have to open the settings, then go to System, click on About Phone. Now scroll down a bit, and here under IMEI information you will be able to check both IMEI numbers, and if you click on Model and Hardware, you'll be able to check your serial number as well. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.